Hello, lovely ones. This is a special invitation to welcome you and invite you to a webinar, a workshop webinar. It's going to be on this Saturday, the 14th of September 2019 at 11 a.m. South African time. That is GMT +2. And I would love it if you would consider coming in and being part of that. This is really important information. I have been receiving a great deal of guidance and putting together some information that is going to help you and support you as we are moving from this experience as our human being into a whole new arena. We are in a transformational process and we are gaining the courage and the skills so that we can transition and so that we can hold the space with more ease and grace. But right now, we're not feeling any of that ease and grace. It is too overwhelming. The contrast, the overwhelm, it is really, really causing a great deal of conflict and inner turmoil. So if you are feeling depressed, detached, if you are feeling as if there's just too much going on in your world, little hopelessness, a sense of futility, what is the point? And who am I and what difference can I make? If any of these thoughts or ideas are coming into your mind, the sense that I wish I could make a difference, but what could I possibly do? It feels so big, the space that we are moving into. And the world is so big and filled with so much that is difficult and challenging right now. If we become weak and we don't stand for who we are and step into the life that we agreed to come into and be part of, if we do not find the courage to do that, truly what is the point? The point is that you hold the key. You truly hold the key. And I would love to show you that. I would love to help you understand that you hold the key to our transformation, not just your own personal transformation, but the transformation of all beings and all life. This space that we are experiencing is not hopeless because we are here and we are the ones we have been waiting for. So join me this Saturday and let me bring all the guidance that I have been receiving to you. And I'm doing this with so much love and just opening up the space for expansion and possibility. We are really right at a pivot point of this experience. It's time for us to step into this in the agreement that we are divine beings of light and love. So thank you for being you and many blessings. Namaste.
Like a bird on a tree.